frequently we standardise our teaching programs a lot. We require that people follow particular outlines all the time. We require particular standards, often driven by accreditation, across our different campuses. And all of that, perhaps inadvertently, sometimes removes the opportunity that a teacher has to really fully express themselves, and express themselves in ways which are really going to enrich the learning experience for students. So I think that I see that as a particular challenge, and one of the things that I'm committed to trying to do is to look at ways of looking at the teaching process and pulling out aspects of work that really we don't need teachers to be involved in, to give them greater opportunity to think about innovation, to think about the relationships that they have to build with their students, and to improve the quality of the teaching that they deliver and the quality of the learning experience for students. So it's around really thinking about how we change the role of the teachers as much as we think about changing the experience of students. Of course the two are related, but I often think that we don't think about the impact of some of our actions on the day-to-day experiences of teachers. And much of what we do, I think, probably doesn't lead to greater engagement. It just adds workload, which adds stress and reduces the opportunity for them to really contribute everything that they can to teaching. One of the things that we've noted recently in terms of changing demand for courses is that we've got a lot of employers asking us for graduates in the area of data science and predictive analytics. This is, people are suggesting that this is one of the big growth areas for employment, and very few universities in Australia currently have courses that are meeting, that are training students to meet this demand. So we went out to our staff and we said, look, we think that we really need to develop some courses in these areas and to respond to industry needs, and we need to do so quickly so we can be market leaders. So we started to talk to people and staff in science and engineering, which is where we thought the majority of expertise would lie, and they said, actually, yes, we can do stuff, but we think that we need to talk, also we need contributions from people who are in Curtin Business School, because around economics and around particular aspects of business data science. And then they said, we also need to talk to people in health sciences, because again, they have a lot of expertise in terms of ways in which of managing big data and data science itself. And then they said, and also actually there are people in humanities who can really contribute. And so very quickly we had groups of staff from all 4 of our faculties talking together about how they put together a course, master's courses and graduate certificates in the area of predictive analytics and data science. And within 6 months, we had actually developed the courses and we had them through our approval processes and ready for students to enrol.